Sniper or machine gun? Sniper, shotgun or machine gun? Shotgun or machine gun? I'm gonna go with the machine gun.
What was that face? Oh my god.
Oh my god!
Hi. I'm not hitting anyone. This is hilarious, cause I'm not hitting anyone.
Oh my god!
I see you, smoker. I'm gonna kill you. I'm coming for you. What's going on? This con can handle this stress. Time for. Every time there's a witch here, it's not anything. Don't ruin my fun. Sorry, Noam Chomsky, not today. As a witch. Remember my theory? Yes, we're gonna do that. Nah, I'm not gonna do that. Guys, my webcam might turn off any time because it's running. My phone is running out of memory. Okay, juked. My phone is running out of battery, so the webcam might stop anytime soon. Okay? Which actually my webcam will stop in 6 minutes. Oh, right. Oh my god, the jockey! Oh my god, the jockey is evil! In 5 more minutes, my webcam will turn off. We should trigger the bomb. Yes!
It's epic. Epic pyrotechnics.
Oh my god, the clown zombies. I keep hearing like rubber duckies. There, there. You guys said that. Oh, it's the clown. It's the clown zombies. There. I hate the rubber ducky sound. There you are. Did I miss something? I don't know. This was where we started. I think it's supposed to enter here. What? What? Did I miss something? I don't know. 1 more minute and my webcam will turn off. Oh, guitars. Who keep messaging me? Where am I supposed to go? I'm supposed to go here.
Everybody grab a weapon.
I hear that rubber ducky sound. I don't like it. That was dumb. Yeah, I forgot my health was low. Wait, no. Rochelle.
Get up.
Come on, Rochelle, let's go. My webcam is off right now.
Cotton candy. Wise Pharaoh.
Where am I supposed to go now? I think we're supposed to go here, yeah.
Bitch. Hunter.
Ah! Ooh, I want to try this slide. Wee! Ah. Ooh, chainsaw, that's cool. I want to try chainsaw. I've never tried chainsaw before. Oh no, this is the one where you have to run for it. Yeah, there's a tank. Let's kill the tank first. Let's go. Don't give me pills, man. Oh my god. Nope, you're not getting me. You're not getting me. You're not getting me. You're not getting me. Ah!
I gotta heal.
Oh, this is. Okay, let's go. Let's go. Let's go. Let's go! That was fun.
God damn, that's loud. Somebody shut it down.
Yes, we're so close.
Okay, it's off.
Oh, the Tunnel of Love. Nice. Next is the Tunnel of Love. I love that.
Everybody inside.
Coach, get in!
And that is how you do it.
Thanks for watching, guys. Hope you guys like that. Don't forget to like, favorite, and subscribe, and share the video if you want people to see me not commentating that interestingly. So yeah, whatever. Thanks for watching, guys. Like my everything I say. So yeah, goodbye.
Oh, really, Frances?